try to... Welcome to World Business and Technology Show, folks. My name is Farooq Shah Khan, and
I'm Aslina Saleh Azhar. Here's the latest news from the world of business and technology. Applying technology used for inspecting semiconductor wafers for defects, Brightech developed the Clarity Pro facial image scanner, which claims to identify bacteria clogging pores, show where wrinkles are forming, and identify skin damage caused by the sun. The scanner is the size of a TV set with a large oval cavity for the user's face. Targeted at beauty spas, dermatologists, and cosmetic companies, the scanner sells for $20,000. A handful of unidentified cosmetic companies have bought it so far. Brightech, a San Jose, California-based startup, hopes to create a cheaper version for home use. Someday, the company even envisions its technology being built into everyday mobile devices so consumers can get an analysis of the skin wherever and whenever they need.
There are other products on the market that show where sun damage has occurred, but Rajeshwar Chibber, founder and chief executive of Brightech, says nothing available today can provide the amount of detailed Clarity Pro does. We have developed algorithms which can recognize features and shapes and the significance of things before something develops fully, says Chibber. When it's in the 5th% stage, we can tell what it can turn into. What that means? That means the product can tell if a wrinkle just starting to form will turn into a deep wrinkle or a fine line. After taking a white light and UV image of a person's face, that image is entered into a software program to detect damage. In the case of clogged pores, Clarity Pro can identify what types of bacteria is in the pores and predict what acne will form.
For sun damage, the facial scanner can tell how much damage is under the skin, how long a person can stay in the sun before the skin is damaged more, and forecast the chances of a person getting skin cancer due to harmful UV rays. Chibber, who founded the company in January 2005, comes from a semiconductor background and said the leap from detecting defects in wafers to defects in faces wasn't that big. To me, inspecting a face or a wafer is very similar, he says, since in both cases you have to look for the tiniest of defects. Clarity Pro can also be used to monitor the progress of particular facial cream to see if it is reducing wrinkles or improving sun damage. For the cosmetics field, Chibber says a future product will be targeted towards research and development departments and may result in better creams and lotions. The cosmetic industry is waiting for something like this, but nobody came forward, says Chibber.
John Bailey, Executive Vice President of Science at the Washington-based Cosmetic, Toiletry and Fragrances Association and former Director of the Food and Drug Administration's Cosmetic and Colors Office, says if Brightech's technology does work, it would be very valuable for the cosmetic industry, which is always looking for ways to develop better products. Still, Bailey noted that, like other facial scanning products on the market, for skin analysis, Clarity Pro would need to be validated to prove it can truly predict problems with the skin. Brightech says that today the market size is between $70 million to $100 million worldwide. That has the potential to grow to $1 billion plus market over the next 3 years. The Clarity Pro product comes at a time when Americans are much more aware of the sun damage and are paying more attention to skin care. It also comes against a backdrop of rising cases of skin cancer in America.
According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, more than 1.5 million skin cancer cases are diagnosed each year in the United States. Nationally, there are more new cases of skin cancer each year than the combined incidence of breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancers. The incidence of melanoma, which is the deadliest form of skin cancer, is increasing faster than any other cancer. By 2010, the foundation projects that 1 in 50 Americans will get melanoma. Because of these projections, David Goldberg, Vice President of the New York-based Skin Cancer Foundation and Clinical Professor of Dermatology and Director of Mohs Surgery and Laser Research in the Department of Dermatology at New York's Mount Sinai School of Medicine, says a product like Clarity Pro would be welcome. Any technique that's going to lead to early detection of skin cancer is going to save lives and save the need for more extensive radical surgery, says Goldberg, noting that consumers will likely want a product that can give a detailed skin analysis at home.
Now, some good news for those who are in stressful jobs. Stress relief in a nasal spray. Sticking something up your nose isn't usually deemed as a very effective way to resolve stressful situation. However, a very surprising new Swiss study could soon change that. Researchers at University of Zurich recently announced the development of a nasal spray containing oxytocin, a hormone used to assist labor in women during childbirth. Initial studies have indicated that the spray helps lower the levels of stress hormone cortisol and produces no significant adverse side effects. Researchers also found that subjects who used the nasal spray became less argumentative and initiated fewer incidents of conflict with loved ones. There you have it, folks. This is the world news from Technology Center of the World, Silicon Valley. You have been watching World Business and Technology Show. And when we come back, Women in Technology, we'll talk to two of the technology workers in the technology field, engineers, principal engineers who are in big companies in Silicon Valley. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back after this.